Guys, I hope all of you are fine. Friends, my today's video is very creative, classy and eye-catchy, but I have simple request to you that please don't go anywhere, watch the video till end so that you could get all the amazing and trendy ideas. Friends, as you could see that the collection is totally based on very beautiful, easy to make and eye-catchy, extremely designer style and easy to make patterns of hand embroidery necklines. Yes friends, all of these neckline patterns are being made by using very beautiful combination of color schemes of threads, and you can design these patterns onto the necklines of your gown, blouse, kurti, shirt, frock, maxi dress, jalebias. Even you can make this onto your abayas, onto your t-shirts, sweatshirts, and even you can embroider the patterns onto your denim fabric like jeans jacket, like jeans shirts, and many more creativities as per tops or different type of dressing styles for girls, women and teenagers as well. Simple, basic and easy to make embroidery stitches like boolean knot, French knot, lazy daisy, fly stitch, stem stitch, chain stitch have been used. You can use anchor DMC for making these patterns, and for more creative, unique and stylish ideas, do follow our channel for latest upcoming and trendy videos. Subscribe the bell icon button, press it so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. And most of you have subscribed my channel but you just forgot to press the bell icon and you never get, and some of you sometimes miss the latest updates and notifications of my new upcoming videos. So do press the bell icon and don't forget to like and share my videos with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching.